It's so sad verifying your identity to Worldcoin back in 2021-2022, and when the project starts out, you find that your own account, which contained some Worldcoins, is gone. You have loosed it, with all the efforts and the Worldcoins in it that you could have exchanged them out and sorted you personal bills. Many of you have reached out about restoring your lost Worldcoin accounts, and we're here to guide you through the process. So be sure to follow all the steps as they are, and be sure to get back your lost Worldcoin account and the coins inside the account. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button to get out all our updates about Worldcoin. And if you are a returning subscriber, we really appreciate seeing you being back. So let's dive in. Before we begin, let's understand why some of these accounts were lost. As the initial testers of the Worldcoin project, many of you signed up in 2021-2022. However, once the project launched, these accounts weren't accessed again. They were gone. It is like all the data was deleted immediately after the Worldcoin project was nearly launched, which made to loose of all the accounts. We actually apologize to this losers. To some, they lost their accounts after deleting the Worldcoin app, which led to clear of your personal data. So bad. Now let's talk about the steps to recover your lost account. And if you haven't lost your account, stay tuned, since we will be providing ways on how to protect your account and prevent from losing it at the end of this video. Method 1 involves using the Worldcoin app, which you can download from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, follow these steps. But before using these steps, be sure that you had backed up your account to your Google Drive or iCloud in order to restore your account. Step 1. Open the app and select Existing Account. If you can't see Existing Account in your World app, be sure to clear the data of your Worldcoin app in the settings of your Android phone or your iPhone. After clearing the cache and the data of the app, try and open it once more, and I'm sure you will see the Existing Account tab below. Agree to the terms and conditions of Worldcoin and later select the Existing Account to continue. Step 2. Look for the option Signed Up Early 2022 and proceed. If you can't see this option, it is in the form Android Account. Restore with Google Drive for those who signed up using their Android phones. For those who signed up using their iPhones, select the option under the iPhone account, Restore with iCloud. And currently, the last option of existing World ID with new account Recover Lost World ID isn't available for now, but for sure it will be coming soon. Select one of the options discussed according to the type of phone you had signed in with and continue to the next step. Step 3. Sign in using the email address associated with your lost account. This will include tapping the option Connect Google Drive. You should continue with this step if you trust Worldcoin to access your sensitive information on your email account, after which you will have already recovered your account with the little steps above. You will be needed to wait for a minimum of 24 hours to get your Worldcoin account back. If the above method doesn't apply to you and you find it so hard to restore your account, since you had not backed up your account to either your Google Drive or iCloud, you can use the next method or method 2 through your account settings. If the first method doesn't work for you, don't worry. Worldcoin has provided an alternative solution. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Open the Worldcoin app and go to Settings. This is applicable if you have restarted your World app and cleared all the cache and the data from the app to make it behave like it is the first time using the World app, or if you haven't deleted your app data. Don't worry. The data that will be lost will be the Worldcoin app data only. Step 2. Select Account, and then choose Import Legacy Web Account. If you can't see it, be sure to check out the different terms used since it may be referred to with a different term. Step 3. Sign in using your email address linked to the lost account, and be sure to get your Worldcoin account back immediately after 24 hours of procession. Now, you might wonder about the security of this process. Worldcoin has made it straightforward. You just need to trust the platform and use the email associated with your account. There's no complex verification required to recover your lost account. While these lost accounts were created during Worldcoin's testing phase, it's important to stay vigilant about your account's security. Even though the lost accounts weren't due to user error, it's always wise to protect your online accounts with strong, unique passwords. So remember to back up your account on your Google Drive or iCloud to make it possible for you to restore your account next time if you lose it. To back up your account, go to Settings, select the Account option, and down to it you will see Backup Account. Tap it and wait for some time for your account to be backed up. Be sure to back up your account to make your account stay safe. That wraps up our guide on how to restore your lost Worldcoin account and how to protect your account and make it easy for you to access it next time you lose it. We hope this video has been helpful to those looking to regain access. Remember, technology can sometimes have its hiccups, but with the right steps, you can get back on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.